Across the dry plains of Africa, where life and death walk side by side, a peaceful elephant herd grazes by the river. But danger creeps in. A pack of starving hyenas, eyes gleaming with hunger, lies in wait. Suddenly, they strike, charging straight for the baby elephant. The mother roars in fury, rushing to defend her calf. But the true turning point comes when a massive bull elephant emerges, bringing with him the wrath of the wild. He strikes, stomps, and sends the hyenas flying like leaves in a storm. The pack retreats in chaos, their plan shattered, their pride broken. As the dust settles, the elephants move on victorious, unshaken. And the savannah whispers one final truth: never challenge the fury of the wild when it rises to protect its own. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Thank you.